Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol DNR. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. If you're not sure what I mean by 30-minute, I do offer an explanation video at that link. So if you go there, I'll explain in detail. Quite the crazy move on this one. Price made a great move up. Then it pulled back quite a bit, actually, and then, made a little bit move upwards. So if you're somebody that's saying, I don't know, is this a good chart? Is this a bad chart? Because, yeah, the price still closed up significantly higher than where it was, but it did pull back quite a bit from its highs. I would say you're not alone, and that's a more than rational viewpoint to have of just in terms of, I don't know, is this good or bad going forward? And in my mind, there's a single level that can really help define whether this is, a bullish chart or a bearish chart, and that's right down here at 95.5. So why is 95.5 important? Well, let's look at one potential scenario, and I'm not saying this is what's going to occur, but one possible outcome is price comes back down here to 95.5 and then just continues on down. What would you have in this set of circumstances? Well, from a very literal perspective, you would quite literally have the price right back to where it was when it was flirting with those lows. And not to insult your intelligence, but price movements that go back to where they were, not exactly a sign of true power, true strength, or anything like that. Whereas on the flip side, maybe price comes down here, behaves in that manner, and then begins to work its way back upwards. Now, all of a sudden, what would you have? Well, you'd have a set of lows right here. You'd have these lows down there. If you envision each of those as stair steps, well, hey, there you go. Now you have stair steps making progress in the upwards direction. And again, that's the name of the game. That's what a truly strong move is going to do over time. It's going to make progress forward. And in this situation, once again, quote unquote, progress being defined as 95.5 cents. So to use that level to help define what exactly is the price doing, making progress or going back. Now, in the event the price continues on upwards, key level of resistance to watch closely is going to be that pink line right there, which on my chart denotes the very well-known 200-period moving average, and the current value of that is right there at the round number of $1. So watch that from the resistance side of things. But yeah, overall, crazy day, somewhat of a confusing day, but at the end of the day, let's see if the price can start to make progress, or is the price headed right back to where it was? First off, thanks so much for watching the entire video. Real quick, before you go, I want to invite you to a live webinar, web class, training, workshop, online event, whatever you want to call it, but it will be me live revealing to you what I've discovered that has allowed me to transform myself from being an employee to being my own boss, including how I had only one losing day out of 73 days in total. I'm going to cover 3 keys that have helped me unlock profitable consistency within the markets. The first key is super weird, but in a productive type of way. The second key is super awesome because it quite literally is wired into our DNA as humans, making it very easy to use. But in a cruel way, this becomes a pitfall for many traders. I'll explain it all though, including how to avoid the pitfall that it creates for some. And yeah, the third key, when you hear it, sounds way too good to be true, but it's not, and I'll show you how it all works. Then at the end, I open it up for a question and answer session that is, again, totally live. Even if you can't make the live session, please still sign up as it will be recorded, and you can go back and watch the replay that I will send you. Click the image on the screen or click the link down in the description box so you can get the date and time and claim your spot, which I should note is limited due to the fact that this truly is a live event. If you have any questions, let me know. If not, I'll be seeing you soon.